Hello, my beautiful gardening family. It's HH Beauty Garden here, and after a decade of nurturing plants and sharing my secrets with you all, I'm absolutely thrilled to bring you something truly magical today. We're talking about rose propagation. But not just any propagation. This is a method so simple, so natural, yet so incredibly effective, you'll wonder why you haven't tried it sooner. Forget those expensive, chemical rooting hormones. Today, we're going back to basics with nature's own powerhouses: tea, turmeric, and a touch of honey. Where are you watching from? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to connect with talented gardeners from all around the world, ready to grow some gorgeous roses. Let's dive in, gathering your natural rooting arsenal. First things first, let's collect our ingredients. You'll need a healthy, young rose stem, about 6 to 8 inches, 15 to 20 centimeters, long. Not too old, not too flimsy, aim for that sweet spot of semi-hardwood. Point 2. Tablespoons of unflavored dry tea, green tea or oolong works wonders. A little bit of pure honey, nature's own healing and nourishing agent. Pure turmeric powder, your secret weapon for antifungal protection. Clean peat moss or sphagnum moss, the perfect cozy home for your new roots. A glass jar and a plastic cup. A plastic bag and adhesive tape for our DIY mini greenhouse. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, don't hesitate to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to HH Beauty Garden so you don't miss out on our next amazing gardening tips. Let's spread the joy of gardening and create beautiful gardens together. Step 1. Brew the root boosting elixir. This is where the magic begins. Grab your glass jar and add 2 teaspoons of dry tea. Did you know that dry tea, especially green or oolong, is packed with natural tannins? These act as a gentle antiseptic, helping your cuttings heal faster. Plus, the caffeine and polyphenol are like a natural energy drink for root growth. Pour in 500 milliliters of boiling water, cover the jar and let it steep gently for about 10 minutes. This allows all those incredible natural compounds to fully infuse into the water. Patience is key here, garden friends. Step 2. Prepare your rose cuttings with precision. While our tea is steeping, let's get our rose cuttings ready for their new life. Select semi-hardy rose cuttings, not too soft, not too woody. Gently remove all leaves and thorns from the lower part of the stem. This reduces moisture loss and prevents rot. And hey, let me know in the comments where you're watching from. I love connecting with gardeners worldwide. Your stories truly inspire me. Make a clean 45-degree angle cut at the base of your cutting. This clever cut increases the surface area for maximum water and nutrient absorption. Step 3. The honey and turmeric power up. Now, let's transform our tea into a super rooting solution. Once the tea has steeped, strain out the leaves and let the tea cool completely. This is important. We don't want to cook our cuttings. Stir in 2 tablespoons of pure honey. The blend of tea and honey works wonders by naturally disinfecting and nourishing your cuttings, promoting faster healing and stronger root development. Soak the base of your rose cuttings in this amazing tea honey solution for 4 to 6 hours. This gives them a powerful boost for root growth and protects against any nasties. After soaking, let the cuttings drain slightly. Then, roll the base in pure turmeric powder. Turmeric is a fantastic natural antibacterial and antifungal agent, fighting off root rot and protecting the delicate tissue. Step 4. Setting up their new home. For this method, I swear by moss as our growing medium. It's fantastic for moisture retention and aeration. Take your clean peat moss or sphagnum moss and soak it in some of your remaining diluted tea solution. You want it moist, but not dripping wet. Gently squeeze out any excess water. Place the prepared moss into a plastic cup, make a small hole in the moss surface and gently insert your cutting. Make sure the leaf bud is facing outwards, as this is where your beautiful new growth will emerge. Step 5. Create your mini greenhouse and watch the magic happen. This step is crucial for success. To create the perfect humid environment, seal the cup tightly with a plastic bag, securing it firmly in place with adhesive tape. This creates a mini greenhouse effect, locking in humidity and warmth. Place your newly potted cutting in a cool spot, away from direct sunlight. Maintain humidity by misting the moss every 2 to 3 days if it starts to dry out. You can even use some of the remaining diluted tea solution for this. The big reveal, roots, glorious roots. Now comes the most exciting part, checking for results. You'll start to see new shoots appearing, a sure sign that your rose is happy and thriving. And soon enough, you'll begin to see healthy, vigorous roots growing from your cuttings. This signals successful growth and the beginning of a healthy, lush rose plant. Once the roots are well established, it's time to transfer your new rose baby to soil or a nutrient-rich medium for continued care. This method completely avoids chemicals, relying on natural ingredients to help your cuttings grow strong, healthy, and resistant to rot or wilting. If you found this video useful, don't hesitate to click like and subscribe. Let's spread the joy of gardening and natural rose propagation to even more people. See you in the next videos with more interesting and effective flower growing tips. Happy gardening, everyone!